What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you today how to search for an alien or search for a signal. But first I have to do something, which is get the alien in a tube. You know, the alien that sits beside you. So first things first, you're gonna check the window if the alien is there. And check your bath if it's full, because somebody can fill it. Always lock your doors, every single door you see in your room or hallway. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the train tracks. Okay, so you're gonna open your laptop, go to scanner, and then hold the left mouse button, left click. You hold left click to scan things. Now you're gonna head for the arrows. If you exit while you're analyzing the signal, you're gonna lose it. Now you're gonna hold A and D. Doesn't matter if you tap it or not. It will search. It will search for the electromagnetic wave, so you can search it on the radio frequency. You're gonna see what I'm speaking about now. Okay, so this is the radio frequency I was talking about. So you're gonna hold E or so you're gonna hold those buttons till the frequency locked gets green. Now you're gonna head to this panel, which is right beside you, and you're gonna activate the coordinates, because these are coordinates. Now you're gonna wait some time so it can process some coordinates, and you're gonna look at the average, because that's gonna be your main thing. If nothing changes on the average coordinates, that means it's spot on. That's spot on. Now I'm gonna switch to antennas, because what we're gonna do right now is the job for the antennas. You're gonna switch this on by pressing Q and E, and you're gonna look at the average. The average is 188, right? You're gonna put 188, 00, and 51. I don't know what's the average for you. You're gonna put what's the average for you. These so it says 188.0768. That doesn't matter. You can put 0000, because that's more safe. And the job for those things are for this thing, which I'm gonna show right now. So you have 188 and 51. Start. You're gonna press this button, which says start rotation. You're gonna deactivate this until the antenna stops. Now this is a long process, as you can see here. If you want to see where your antenna's coordinates are aiming at, you can look at this TV or screen, and it's gonna show you exactly where it is right now and where are the new coordinates right down here. Look, new coordinates and the current coordinates. you're gonna check this window so you can see your systems. The most important one is the charge efficiency, because if you do not have it at 98 maximum, your system efficiency decreases as well. So now it's a long process, so I'm just gonna skip over this. By the way, while it's doing this, you're gonna look like move your camera position like this so you can check your charge efficiency where your antenna is currently looking at, and this window. I'm gonna tell you why you're gonna look at this window. Sometimes an alien appears on the screen peeking at you. Okay, so as you can see, this light is green, which means you're gonna bomb defuse it. That's what I like to call it. You're gonna press these buttons so you can so you make these two bars green, maximum green. Too much. Green. So when they are full green, you're gonna activate the antenna detection control. So as you can see, we have detected a star, and while it's searching for that, you're gonna do the camera position which I told you, so you can check if the alien is peeking at you or not. By the way, so when the alien peeks at you, you're gonna go here, which is right behind your chair. You're gonna go here, here, window, and the bathroom. But mostly the alien appears at night, so that's not gonna be a problem in the day. And I'm gonna show you something when the alien appears on the screen. I'm gonna show you the most important modules, all of them, so you can unlock all of the upgrades, which will help you get signals faster. So the most important ones are azimuth, elevation, and download, and system efficiency. That's just like an additional thing if you want. But I mostly upgrade azimuth, elevation, and download, because it speeds this process up. It takes too long. That's why I selected that. Let's listen to the signal of the supergiant. That sounds like screaming or some kind of a Okay, so my sound didn't work for that clip, so I'm just gonna continue the tutorial with sounds now. The star sounds like screaming, or like the it sounds like meteors, something like that. So it is almost done. The download, as you can see, it is 1105 and it is done. Right now it is just downloading the binary or something, and you're gonna look at decoded data. If it's text, it is if it says something like Greg, hi there, my name is Jeff, that's a story signal. If it doesn't and it says things like this, it's just a useless thing. So I just found out that the alien also appears in the day because it happened while I post the video. Damn. Let us search for a new signal. So you're gonna go to the antenna detection control and click signal disable. That's all. That was the tutorial. Yep, I showed you literally everything, every single thing. Oh, I forgot about this. So if you have a problem and you think something isn't right, you're gonna go to the terminal, so server terminal, and type diagnostics. Oh, looks like I do have an error. So you're gonna do reboot all if you have an error. And there you go, it is fixed. Look, it is all fixed. That was the tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. That was it.